Wow, 14,087 engagements. Holy cow. 143,511 people reached. 18,834 engagements. 8,184 people reached.
How would you like to copy the same strategy that got me over 7,000 Facebook page likes in record time, even if you are a stone-cold newbie? Today, I'll show you practical steps you can use to turn your passion or business into a targeted traffic magnet on Facebook, with folks looking for and loving your daily quality content. James Sansamino here. I originally started my Facebook page, We Love Cats Forever, for fun and also because I love cats. My wife and I have 8 of them. They are our passion. I had no intention of making it into the high traffic, high interaction page that it is now. Then one day, I posted a funny meme that went viral. So I tried another one and it did even better. I knew I was on to something good. You may be asking, how does that help me? Fact, there are over 2.7 billion monthly active users on Facebook. Fact, the average US adult spends 38 minutes per day on Facebook. That's more than enough time to get them to see your message. Pay attention here. Let's face it, when it comes to creating Facebook pages, you can spend hours gathering information only to find yourself frustrated and confused and even bewildered about how to put it all together. You may be wondering, what niche do I choose? How do I get people to find my page who are interested in my niche? Do I buy traffic or do I just get it organically? How do I find great content for my Facebook page? What's the do's and don'ts of posting to my Facebook page? How do I boost a post? And when should I do that? Introducing
1,023 engagements. 347,912 people reached. 56,950 engagements. 4,300 shares.
Breakthrough FPT. Think it would be helpful to have someone showing you every step of the way? Someone that can eliminate weeks or months of struggle and wasted energy? Say yes, and in a short time from now, you'll have your Facebook page up and running, attracting a steady flow of targeted traffic. People who will like, react, share, and interact with your Facebook page and post daily as you watch your Facebook page popularity grow. Breakthrough FPT has 6 chapters of in-depth yet easy instruction. Take action now and secure your access to the training now. Hey, you don't have to invest in Breakthrough FPT. You can possibly find all the information on your own. You can certainly try to attempt creating a Facebook page yourself, do all the research, and figure out a lot of what I teach you in this course. Eventually. However, if and when you have the information, will you know how to use it correctly? Look at it this way. You can approach a combination lock with all the correct numbers, but how many tries might it take you without the correct numbers sequence you need to open that lock? Quite a few, I'm afraid. With the right sequence of steps this course can give you, you can open that lock the first time, saving you a lot of time and frustration. Click the Add to Cart button right now. And let's get started. There's zero risk to you with my 30-day money-back guarantee. Secure your access to the training now.
620 comments. Wow. Wow. 69,371 people reached. 178 shares.